Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites: OBS installed, a verified YouTube channel, and your stream key ready. Now open OBS and set output to advanced. This gives you bitrate controls and encoder choice. Choose X264 or NVENC. X264 uses CPU, NVENC uses NVIDIA GPU. Set an initial bitrate, 500 kbps for 1080p 30, higher for 60 fps. Once done, paste your YouTube stream key into OBS settings stream so OBS can authenticate and begin sending video to YouTube. Next, you construct the signal chain, scenes, and sources. Create a game or window capture for gameplay, add a video capture device for your webcam, and include a browser source for alerts. Arrange layers, scale, and lock sources so they don't move. Then focus on audio. Set mic as audio input, desktop sound as audio output, assign tracks 1-3 and enable monitoring for live checks. Once configured, apply filters, noise suppression, compressor, and test levels so your voice sits clearly above game audio. To go live, open YouTube Studio's stream preview, confirm title, latency, and monetization settings, then hit start streaming in OBS. Consider recording locally simultaneously with a higher bitrate for backups. Monitor dropped frames and CPU/GPU usage in OBS. If you see issues, reduce bitrate, choose a different encoder, or lower resolution and FPS. If audio is out of sync, try OBS audio delay or resample in filters. One troubleshooting tip:
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.